Hello, everybody, and welcome. I am Manuel Molina from Hosteltur in Spain, and today I'm very excited to be joined by Miguel Estarellas to formally present them with their World Travel Leaders Award and to hear more about the reasons for this recognition. So without further, I'd like to welcome to the CCO, the Chief Commercial Officer from H10 Hotels, Miguel Estarellas. Hello, Miguel. How are you?
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here and to be recognized with this prize.
So congratulations, Miguel, and all the family of H10 Hotels and to winning the World Travel Leaders Award. So let's hear more about the reasons for this award, Miguel, and the challenge facing the travel and tourism industry in our region, Spain. Miguel, with a couple of questions I would like to share with you. First of them is, how is 2021 looking in terms of intent and bookings?
Sincerely, I think the best way to describe it is a roller coaster. I think it will all develop according to the COVID. So we are going back and forth as long as COVID continues, and really not much planning.
What were, Miguel, the main challenge you faced at the height of the pandemic? Not only in H10 Hotels, I mean in all the sector in your experience.
I think the morale of the people, of the teams and the whole industry, it was very much affected. To see products close down and not a perspective of opening made really the situation morale-wise very tough. I think it was extremely hard, but I think also that we are very resilient and capable of continuing.
Was there one initiative of which you are particularly proud? Maybe the one that recognizes this award in Canary Island, for example. Is it?
Definitely. The team, the way the team at the Costa de Palace reacted voluntarily with a great generosity. We owe them. We are in debt. It was great.
You were the first hotel in Spain affected by the coronavirus.
Yes, we were, and I think we stayed up the standard, and we demonstrated that our teams are ready to confront any kind of crisis.
You were a kind of example for the rest of the tourism sector in Spain, not only the hotel industry, even the destinations, for example. Do you feel like that? Do you feel like an example for the other regions like Balearic Islands, for example, or mainland in Spain?
We are very modest about it. We really think that we did our best. We will be happy to be a model for anyone, but actually we did it out of our heart and our best interest and the best way to solve it.
At least it was the main reason for this award we are giving you today. Miguel, what is the biggest challenge facing hoteliers in general and H10 specifically in this situation?
I think that right now it will be recovering the rate. I think we will be able to recover certain occupancy much faster, not easier, but much faster than we will recover the rate.
Miguel, we know each other from long time ago. Now I know you have a lot of experience in the commercial and with different regions in Spain and different markets working. Are you seeing any changes to travel behavior on property, and what are you doing to address it?
I think that we see a little bit of a change in the distance, in the safety concerns of the clients. It's not very drastic, but I think we see a development on or evolution of the client towards being a little bit more concerned about the safety measures. As we demonstrated from the Costa del Eje Palace from day one, before any kind of plan was presented or officially by any company, we already put in place a safety mode, and we are really applying this in all our hotels with a lot of strength and looking forward always on solving all the matters. And we are very strict, and we continue putting safety in the first place for all our clients.
More of these questions. Airlines, are still using some measures introduced in response to September 11. It's a question we have been talking about all this situation. What specific changes resulting from COVID-19 do you think will still be part of the hotel experience for guests in the next maybe 10, 20 years time?
I think the first one would be the cleaning, the social distancing, the food processing, the food presentation. I think that's going to stay.
And finally, Miguel, I would like to ask you for the 3 top things that needed to be addressed in the next 12 months in Spain.
I think the first one is to put or to create the safe corridors with and within Europe with the standards. The second one would be maintaining the balance between social distancing in our normal lives and not disrupting business and economics. And I think out of both of them, we come out with a combined third point, which is creating safe destinations in order to provide the clients with a very good experience.
Thank you very much, Miguel. And before to say goodbye, I would like to formally present you with your World Travel Leaders Awards winner certificate on behalf of World Travel Market and Hosteltur as the Spanish media partner, which hopefully you should have received for us. Is it, Miguel? And maybe
thanks very much.
Oh,
here we have it. Thanks very much. It's been a very it's an honor. It's an honor to receive this in the name of the whole team.
Okay, thank you very much, Miguel. That concludes today's presentation and interview. Thank you very much, Miguel, and all the family of H10 Hotels. I hope to see you next year in London in World Travel Market.
Hope to see you there.